Today we are going on a bike ride. This is going to be probably our first time using bikes in Bahamas. Oh yeah, how are we gonna steer?
You mean how am I gonna steer?
Yeah.
And take the line with you to get out if you can. We're going to come into the second ladder here by itself.
Ooh. All right.
Getting them in might be a little difficult.
Oh, yeah. Are you ready for bike adventure?
The real shoes on.
Yeah.
Eliminate one factor of
Failure?
Yeah. So we're gonna ride with traffic.
Yep.
On that side.
Cathedral Caves Boiling Hole. That's where we're going.
Alright. That's a good side. That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
Boiling Hole is one of Eleuthera's many blue holes formed long ago when the island's limestone bedrock eroded. It connects to an offshore hole about a quarter mile west of here through a network of underground caves.
What do you think of your first cruising bike experience?
I can ride.
You can ride?
Yeah. Ooh,
Oh, that was quick.
that is cool. This is like Halloween decorations with all
One of the comments said that they were spider webs.
spider webs everywhere. Where did you go? Did you take the light? Bats. Oh no. Where? Oh God, they're tiny. There's so many of them. Oh, it flew. Do you see them flying? All right. Oh no, they're all flying.
Smacked my head in the wall. There they are.
Yeah.
Oh, they all moved.
Yeah. You spooked them.
Yeah.
You spooked their path.
Okay.
Look, there's a heart shape. Let's go there. He disappeared. So there must be a way through. It smells the soil, that damp soil. I kind of like the damp soil smell.
Well, you don't get much air movement.
Yeah,
The wind doesn't make it down here usually.
yeah. Oh, I know where we came out. I think you might be able to get through over there. There is something. Let's see. Doesn't look like it's connecting to the ocean side, but we saw
It may
cave.
not go that far.
Maybe on this side.
I think you're better off going through the below on the other side.
Oh, I'm touching
Yeah.
with my backpack. All this.
This ladder is a bit sketchier than the last one that we were on.
Not sketchier. I think it's on par.
There's not much to see here.
Huh.
Dressed for hiking through the woods. At least I'm not.
Look up.
Oh, hi.
We gotta make it there. Oh, there you go.
Well, this goes
Something promising.
down. This goes down again. But that rumble may have been waves crashing on the shore. Somebody left flowers in here recently.
There's some sharp edges over here.
I hear those bees up there though.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to go up there.
Michael? Michael?
This is the other side
Oh, I see.
over there.
I'm gonna be able to find the way back.
Oh no.
These caves kind of keep going.
So that little hollow over there is
Oh, that's where you would come out if you go up.
that's where you would come out if you went over.
Oh.
You went up and over.
Maybe we can go down that way.
I already went down there. You're behind.
We might get somewhere.
I see the water.
Yep. But I don't know if we can get through close to.
Made it.
It's all trees.
See us.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Oh, the ocean.
Oh, it looks like there's bees under me now too.
Oh.
We're still there. I can't see us in the tiny screen, but we should be in frame.
We saw a cave. Ow.
We saw
We saw a
a
key.
hollow in a. All right, let's get away from the bees.
Yeah, letter B's over here. Right there. We're going back.
Mission accomplished. So we're gonna walk from one side of the island to the other today, right?
Uh-huh.
It was That's the plan.
So we're going that way.
Oh, there's no over here. You want to go over the hump or back through the tiny?
Over the hump.
Yeah. You're going to be able to get down. I got a longer reach. I got the advantage. That's going to be very slippery.
Slippery, okay.
That's why I didn't step there.
Ta-da.
She made it.
I jumped. And we're back. And there's no... This is the dead end.
No, this is it right here.
Oh.
This looks like an easier route.
So step over here, step over there, and you're up. Alright, so this is the step. This is the grip. Got something in my eye.
Grab what you can reach. Pull yourself towards the wall to keep pressure on your foot. Point your toes. I have years of experience.
I'm up. The shoes are very grippy.
Gripping.
Oh, you gotta go like around.
Oh yeah. This side's
Doesn't end.
gonna be a little bit more challenging to get down. Okay.
All right, so you went back.
My legs are longer than yours, so it depends how much reach. Don't go down that way. Turn around.
Turn around, yep.
Yep.
Turn around.
Climb it down like a ladder. So there's a foot there. Don't trust the feet. Make sure you test them. There's another foot. There's a higher one too, halfway up from where you were.
Okay.
If you don't like that one, you can bring your left foot up to your knee.
To put the other one.
Or you can, if you can reach there, that's good. The right hand hold is good.
Okay.
And then the feet get more sloped as you come down.
All right. I think I made it. I made it.
You made it.
All right, this is my climbing experience. First climbing experience.
You can pay to go to the gym to do that too.
I haven't done climbing whatsoever. That was not too bad.
I think we can over here. Yeah.
I don't remember this big rock, but
I kind of do. Well, no, we need to go the other way because this is how I came out and around.
all
We
right.
need to go
Go
this
back.
way. Or you could go that way, but we haven't been over there yet. We don't know where that goes.
Yeah.
This is where we came from.
Where?
This way. We came from over here.
No.
Yeah,
No. Through that.
pretty sure.
No. Through that narrow cut?
Maybe not.
No, I don't think so. All right, we got lost in the caves. I think we went over here.
Is there another way through over there that I went through? Okay. Yeah, no, you're right.
Yeah?
That's the cut through that we went. So yeah, we need to go this way.
Okay. All right. Going back again.
I do remember this rock. It looks different from this side. Which way did you come from?
Oh yeah, I remember. I remember getting stuck in between this.
I didn't go through there.
Yeah, I remember I got stuck. I was
Oh,
like,
here's the flowers.
yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, I got stuck on the way in, and here are the flowers. So that's, I think that's the strategy. You leave so we can go back. All right, now I lost you. Oh, I see the letter.
All right. You doing beach?
I think we're doing lunch first.
Are we?
Yeah.
I could do beach first.
Mm.
You want to do lunch first?
Yeah. This is a very red looking tree.
Yeah.
Like what type, what
I don't know what kind of.
what the name of this tree is? People like to write stuff on it. That's insane. What is the word I'm looking for? Barbarian to write, to scribble on a tree. Don't do that. Where's the entrance? Blue. It's the ocean hall in the middle of the town. There is some well. There might have been originally some fresh water or something, or some water in there. And here's your view. Ocean hall at Rock Sound. Oh, there's a fish here.
I wonder if they can get in and out.
Well, it's an ocean hole.
Yeah.
It is connected.
Depends how deep it is and how far they can swim.
Yeah. All right, back on the road.
Road again. You play with your gears
There's
at
a
all?
nice view. No.
This is a really cool spot. Like, I might anchor off this just to come here, like,
Yeah.
in the evening one day or hang out.
Yeah. All right.
Go straight.
Is that?
The map seemed to think that if you go right, I think you can get closer to the
I hear the ocean.
ocean, but you could try and go straight too.
I think it's all the way straight.
The question is how far does it go?
Yeah. Butterfly. Oh. There you go. Right,
We made it.
right to the beach.
I'm gonna lay it down on the rock then, maybe.
Okay.
Here.
We made it. Ah. We made it to the pink sand beach.
You could plan yourself a day to the beach like this and take the Starlight case with you
Yeah.
and work on the beach all day. It's pinkish.
Yep.
I'm not looking forward to getting back up that hill.
Yeah.
We didn't start higher, but it feels like we went downhill this way, more so.
Gotta remember to take my pink sand.
Yeah, don't
Collected some pink sand. So it's a little pinkish. Has a pink color.
shall we?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, we're good. Ready for another swim.
Alright. We are free. The sun is setting.
This is your sunset cruise.